Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install Docmost using Docker on Ubuntu 22.04. First, make sure your system is up to date and upgraded to the latest packages. Then, install the necessary packages to set up the dependencies. Setting up Docker's repository allows you to install Docker and related tools from Docker's official repositories. This includes adding the Docker GPG key and repository to your system. Next, install Docker and its dependencies from the Docker repository. Then, run a Docker container to verify that Docker is installed and working correctly. You will see the following output. Next, create a directory for Docmost and download its Docker Compose configuration file. You will see the following output. Next, generate a secret key using the following command. You will see the following output. Then, add the secret key in the following file. After that, save and exit the file. Next, launch Docmost containers using Docker Compose. You will see the following output. Once you have successfully set up and started the Docmost services, you can verify the installation by following these steps. Open your web browser and enter the following URL in your browser's address bar. Next, set up the workspace name, admin name, email, and login password, and click on Setup Workspace. Click on General to get the Docmost dashboard. After that, you will see the Docmost dashboard. You can click on New Page to start creating a wiki or document. Now, enjoy using Docmost for document management and collaboration.